How Africans in the diaspora can build profitable businesses back home, step by step. In the last video, we talked about why many Africans in the diaspora lose money when starting businesses back home. But here is the good news. Some people are doing it right. They are building real businesses, making consistent profit and growing wealth across continents. So the question is, what are they doing differently? And more importantly, how can you do the same? Stay with me because today we are going to break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. Welcome to Kristo Invest, your channel for simple, practical insights about business, entrepreneurship, and building long-term wealth. Now, let's have a quick reminder. The biggest mistakes we talked about were trust without systems, no clear plan, poor money tracking, running businesses blindly from abroad. If you missed it, go and check on that video we made on why Africans in the diaspora fail at business back home. Now, let's fix all of that. Step 1. Think like an investor, not a sender. Most people in the diaspora think like this. I am sending money home. That is the first mistake. You are not sending money. You are investing money. Let's make it simple. If you give someone money with no expectation, that is help. But if you expect profit, that is business. And business needs rules. Clear rules, strong rules, non-negotiable rules. Note this. Step 2. Pick the right location. Not every place is good for every business. Some cities are growing faster than others. Places like Accra, Lagos, and Nairobi, these cities have growing populations, increasing demand, more business activities. But here is the key. Do not just follow hype. Study the area. Ask the right questions like, what do people need every day in this particular area? What is missing here in this particular area? What is already saturated here in this particular area? Step 3. Start with simple businesses. Do not start with complicated ideas. Start simple, very simple, because simple businesses are easier to manage remotely. Examples: food supply, mini logistics, rental services, small retail. Why? Because people understand them and you can track them easily. Remember, businesses you see today started small, and most of them were businesses that people did not even pay much attention to. So note this. Step 4. Test before you scale. This step is where smart people win. Never go big at the beginning. Test first. Let's say you want to start a food business. Instead of opening a big restaurant, start small. Sell to a few customers. Then track. Cost it. Check the sales and then the profit. If it works, then begin to grow. If it fails, adjust. This is how real businesses are built. Test the market first. In a moment, I will show you one simple system that can completely change how you control your business from abroad. Do not miss this. Step 5. Build a control system. This is the most important step. If you miss everything else, do not miss this. You need a control system. Let's make it very simple. Every week, you should receive a report, pictures or videos, sales numbers, and then expenses. Not stories and not excuses. Data, because data tells the truth. So be sure to check data, because data tells the truth. This is very important. Now, step 6, use the right people. Choosing the right person is everything. Do not just pick someone because they are family or because they are close to you. Pick someone because they are reliable. They understand responsibility and they respect structure. And here is a powerful trick. Give them incentives. If the business grows, they earn more. If it fails, they feel it too. This creates accountability because they see themselves as part of the business. Step 7. Track every dollar. Let's make this very clear. If you do not track your money, you will lose your money. Simple as that. So what do? Use spreadsheets. Use mobile apps and then receipts. Every dollar should have a purpose. Every expense should be recorded and no exceptions. This is very important. Step 8. Visit when possible. Even if you live in the US or UK or Canada, try to visit your business sometimes. Why? Because presence changes everything. When people see you, they take things more seriously. They become more careful and they respect the system. Even one visit can make a big difference. So you can make it an agenda once you have business back home to visit at least twice or thrice a year, which is very useful or helpful. Focus on cash flow. Profit is important, but cash flow is more important. Let's explain in simple terms. Profit is what you make after expenses. Cash flow is the money moving in and out. A business can be profitable but still fail if cash flow is bad. So always ask, is money coming in consistently? You need to check that, which is very, very important. As a business, you need to always make sure there is money coming in consistently in the business. Step number 10, be patient, but be alert. Business is not magic. It takes time. But patience does not mean ignoring problems. Watch closely. If something feels wrong, check it immediately. Do not wait. Just the feeling of something being wrong is a cause for you to check immediately. Do not wait. Now, here is the mindset shift. Stop thinking, I hope this works. Start thinking, I will build this step by step, because success is not luck, it is structure. Let's imagine another person, Amma. Amma lives in Canada. She wants to start a business in Accra, but she does things differently. She starts small, tracks everything, uses systems, chooses the right people. At first, profits are small, but they are real. And they grow slowly, steadily, surely. This is how real success looks like. So, the truth is simple. You can build wealth across countries. You can succeed in Africa while living abroad. Yes, you can. But only if you do it the right way. With structure, with discipline, with patience. With these, you can definitely have success at business, even though you may be living abroad and operating it back home. If you learned something from this video, kindly subscribe for more simple, powerful strategies on building wealth between Africa and the diaspora. And in the next video, we will break down actual business ideas you can start with low capital. Thank you.